Bro, man. Yeah, the man them a fight for king. Man, me ask you a question and no more. You answer this, you know, Mr. Bro, man. Who are your king out of Cartel and Beanie Man and Yellow Man?
Yellow Man straight.
It's a Yellow Man and a whole king, man. Or if you say Yellow Man, I'm a whole king.
Young man him not try, my friend. Yellow Man I'll try it and make it and dear.
Yeah, so Yellow Man a real man, Mr. Brown, man.
Yeah, man. I'm my deal man. I'm my big man.
Okay. So who are your Rasta artists where you listen all the while?
Well, I'm missing chronics, you know. And I'll go young boy calling and Johnny Roots come up. Big.
Okay. So who are your nice culture artists right here now where you listen really right here now, culture artists?
Johnny Roots all the way.
Real?
Johnny Roots all the way. All the way.
Where you find Johnny Roots?
I find Johnny Roots. Spanish town here.
Yeah?
Somewhere else the whole harbor road.
Yeah, you know him?
Yeah, man, I know him, man.
Bad?
Him bad, man. I'm a come, man.
Alright. We're going to view Johnny Roots and see where you're going.
Okay.